Quit India movement anniversary, yesterday and today, 2 days we are celebrating Quit India movement. We have adopted a resolution passed by the working committee yesterday. Only one thing I would like to mention in this connection. It is Congress party which has been for the forefront in the freedom movement and in the Quit India movement. Whereas the party which is ruling today in Goa and at the national level were conniving with British all the time, and they have no right to teach us anything on freedom or on the running of country. They were all with Britishers, and BJP leaders in Goa particular, they should hang their heads in shame because their ancestors had betrayed them, betrayed the nation and betrayed the state. The government is demolishing illegal constructions in Goa. Welcome. Wherever there are illegal construction, it should demolish it. But the first illegal construction which is there is the government itself. The Goa government is an illegal construction built overnight by betraying the people and by betraying the mandate of the people. And they are, the chief minister is a trespasser on the chair of the chief ministership. Now question is also we have raised in the meeting in my introductory speech. Reginald tried to move a resolution, but his draft was not taken into consideration and his shabby draft was taken into consideration. Nevertheless, a resolution was passed to protect land of Goans. But if we do not protect our land in the state, we will be finished in no time. And therefore, I still appeal to the state government to see that the act is implemented. Again, one aspect we have taken into consideration, the new bill, requisition and acquisition bill, which was introduced the other day, and they took up for consideration, the government. Fortunately, our MLAs stood strongly, and they came to know, and then it was referred to select committee. What is this bill? Is to acquire the land, government, despite the fact that UPA government had passed that bill 2013, whereas people had been given opportunity to take price of 4 times the land, 4 times the prices will be given to the people. That was the consent of deal. Social impact study, environmental study, getting plots in place of the existing plots. If there are agricultural land, alternate agricultural land, jobs for the people who are deprived of the job. So these were the provisions in the 2013 Act, which is in force now. Why does Goa government wants to enact a new local legislation? That is because they have included one clause there in that bill, whereby people can agree for a fixed price. That means supposing in a village, 100 acres of land is there, which government wants to acquire. Government will send now officers to meet the people there, enter into a compromise price, and you know when BJP people and leaders go, what type of compromise price will be there? They will have no voice, people will have no voice, and the land costing 1,000 rupees will be sold at peanut under duress, and that's why they wanted to speak. Panji and Walpoi. In Panji, we'll highlight what Parrikar has done, and if Panjimites seriously consider the performance of Mr. Parrikar, nobody will dare to vote him. I would say dare to. Because this man, when he left Goa government, He reduced it to bankruptcy. There was no money. Even today, the same situation. No money in the coffers of Goa government. Regional plan issue was not solved. Language plan issue was not solved. Nothing was solved, and he left coolly and joined Delhi. When he saw there is no scope for him, he tried to jump here. But during that few months he was there, he made a mess of the defense ministry. Same thing the people will question in Valpoi about the performance of BJP government in Goa, including Valpoi. Yet I have no doubt that Roy will get elected and see to it that he will change the face of Valpoi within short time. Girish Chodankar comes from Tiswadi, not from Margaon. And he has got better right to contest from Panji. Whereas Parrikar is from Bardesh Taluka. He used to come all the time to contest despite being from a different taluka. He comes from Tiswadi Taluka. And they have no right to make any allegations against Girish Chodankar.